Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Matthew, also known as RedFlyer, and I'm here with Sam today. We have a pretty exciting day. I'm actually doing something interesting in my vlogs for once.
I know, it's great.
It's actually something fun. So we're gonna go stop and like wash the car and like get him a battery for something, a memory card for his drone, and then we're gonna go on a drive with Jack Ultramotive and a bunch of our friends. I think he's bringing the Nissan GTR, so it should be a lot of fun.
All right, guys. So we're here at the car wash. We're gonna wash this bad boy.
Over here. Wait for it. Wait for it. There we go.
What's up?
Slowest car here. Here we go, man.
Dude, no, there's a Miata right here.
Gorilla Pod squad.
Hey, yeah.
What's up, Jack?
And then my boy over there, wherever he has like a rep Gorilla Pod too.
Oh, damn. All right.
Yeah.
The R32 out here. I was kind of hoping you would bring the Focus.
I know. Because I have the wrap and everything, and I'll be like road tripping that to Cali for like a straight 2 days. So I'm like, I might as well get the most out of this while I can for the last couple of days.
The steering wheel's on the wrong side, man. What happened?
I
They
don't
like
know,
screwed it up
dude.
and they made this car or something?
I ordered the wrong car.
You ordered the wrong one.
Yeah. Forgot US spec, you know.
Wow. The carbon fiber infinity badge. It's subtle, but it's a flex. It's a flex nonetheless. All right, well, we got the sticker. 5 more horsepower. We need all the horsepower we can get. I don't know which side we should put it on though. Or should we put it in the middle? What do you think, Sam? 5 more horsepower right here. Where should we put it? I'm thinking to put it right there on the right.
I think like right under this.
Right under there?
Yeah.
Got it?
Yep.
Oh, here we go. Now we got the sticker. Oh, there we go.
And then peel it, kind of, yeah.
Oh yeah, we're good. Sick.
Baby.
And we're part of the Ultramotive squad, just like that.
I'm gonna see if he doesn't know it.
All right, boys, we're rolling. We're probably gonna be bringing up the back of the squad, but we have 2 people. Everyone else is pretty much alone, so we're gonna get a lot of rolling shots, a lot of good shots. Sam's filming while I'm driving. He's my cameraman for the day.
Basically.
So again, shout out to Sam. Check out his channel, but should be fun. Let's check it out.
Nature, right?
Oh yeah, tons of nature out here.
Nature.
Nature and cars that are very bad for the environment.
Yeah, it's real contrast.
This is where the rest of the squad went. They all stopped up here. "22 cars, Sam. What do you think? Your first
Cars.
drive? Cars?
Never seen a car before today, and it's cool, I guess.
Vloggers only like vloggers.
Yeah.
Bruh. Dog vlog.
Little doge.
Dog vlog. Your head in that exhaust tip. It's bigger than your hydro flask.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's thick.
Manly hit.
It's a thick exhaust. It's the thickest of all
This is
exhausts.
the 32 ounces.
Bruh, it's so dusty out here. We literally just washed the car.
It's like, you can see the lines again. It's so dirty.
We were just driving through a cloud of dust at one point, but it's all good.
He lives like right next to me. Try it.
I can't, man. I tried it. I can't do it.
Here, try it again. It's so easy.
No.
Get out of here with that.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dubs.
All right, guys. Well, that's about it for today's video. Hopefully, the cops didn't destroy everyone at the bridge. We haven't heard from anyone yet, but they're probably still driving, or they may not even have data. I don't know how long they were staying there. I hope they didn't all get wrecked though. We're fine. We're back. We're in the McDonald's drive-thru right now. I had a feeling you were gonna do something like that. Yeah, we're just chilling. We're getting some getting some food.
Tastes like
It's been a long day. Tastes like what?
Tastes like McDonald's.
McDonald's? Oh well, yeah. It smells like McDonald's. This is the video clickbait, going through McDonald's drive-thru in an illegal car. Oh, this car is legal though. But oh well. We should have brought Jack's car. Right-hand drive. That would have been whack.
Yeah.
And he goes in reverse through the drive-thru. That would be many people have done that. That's like totally a thing.
Yeah.
But anyways, thanks for watching. Sam's channel will be in the description down below, and in a card.
Like and subscribe.
In a card up in the corner. Like, subscribe.
You don't have to, just
stay tuned for more. Only if you want to.
Yeah.
Oh, that guy in the window he just shut the window. That's funny. The guy in the drive-thru just shut the window. He didn't want to be in our vlog. Oh well. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.
Bye.
Saying that it feels right.